Hey guys, today we're gonna show you the top 10 ways Mongolians have fun. 1. Nightclubs and bars. One of the most popular spots that are usually packed with people are Cielo, Tipsy, Neon, Pastel, Control, and Zoo Club. Because of the recent events involving the implementation of a strict quarantine and lockdown, all of the bars have paused their operations and many have chosen an alternative. 2. Mountain parking spot. The mountain parking spot beside Bogdol is called Khuuhdiin Zuu, as it is one of the most visited locations for the sake of a panoramic view of the city, and is insanely popular with underage and young people in Ulaanbaatar looking for a place to put on some car music, drift, or drink. 3. Terelj. Terelj is widely known for its luxurious resorts, as many choose to celebrate their birthdays, prom after parties, graduation, or for anything really. The resorts in Terelj are often booked with the intention of partying, drinking, and spending the night there with friends. 4. Happy Valley. Happy Valley is a sports and entertainment center where they offer hockey, a skating rink, basketball, football, volleyball, table tennis, open fire barbecue, and fishing. It is a center that isn't widely popular at the moment due to the coronavirus outbreak, but it is one of the locations that you must visit while traveling here. 5. Khuuhdiin Zuu. Khuuhdiin Zuu is the hub of Ulaanbaatar's restaurants, pubs, and clubs. Most Ulaanbaatarians' greatest memories are created there, and therefore, rappers like Van Debo made a song about their specific street, Khuuhdiin Zuu. 6. Sky Resort. During wintertime, Sky Resort is ultimately the it place for anyone wanting to get some adrenaline pumping or getting some fresh air. It is packed 24/7 and requires excessive amounts of waiting in line in order to get the chance to skate or snowboard. 7. House parties. Although the location is unspecified here, it is very popular here in Mongolia, especially within the group of young teens to throw house parties. Because most bars and clubs closed due to the COVID regulations, many people have come to throw more and more house parties or BBQ sessions at the countryside with friends. 8. Karaokes. Karaokes in Mongolia are extremely popular, as most of them are placed around every inch of the city, so you shouldn't worry about booking in any other places because it's most likely you'll find one in a matter of minutes. 9. Clubhouse. The new social media platform Clubhouse exploded in Mongolia during lockdown, as hundreds and thousands of Mongolians had a spare time on their hands and were likely bored. Clubhouse gained immense popularity here, as many people started using the platform for career and business opportunities, and some even used it as a dating profile and played games like Truth or Dare. 10. Countryside. One of the things that Mongolians love is heading outside the polluted city for a fresh breath of air in a countryside home somewhere. If you want to experience the real authentic Mongolian experience, you should definitely tag along with some of your friends to a countryside home somewhere and bring all kinds of meat to cook. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.